in the tournament. And then Leon Bailey and Trevante Stewart, both not selected for this camp because of disciplinary reasons. Maybe just to finish on that one, because I know there will be, if we don't explain, there will be a lot of questions, just to avoid a lot of questions. We basically have a lot of agreements between the staff and the coaches and the players, but we have only one rule: don't leave the hotel after 10 p.m. And these players didn't even sleep at the hotel, missed the bus next morning. And we've kind of finished this. Both the players took responsibility of their actions. They apologized to us and the squad, and the apology is accepted. We all do mistakes in our lives, even the best. And for all of us, case is closed, and we move on. So it was decided they will not be selected for the next camp, and only this camp. So it was dealt with inside the group, and should always be done this way, not in the media. And I hope you will respect that. Again, someone felt it was necessary to leak it, so it's been all over the media the last 24 hours. I really would like to have presented this in another way, but because of the leak, we just rip the band-aid and say things as they are. There's an old Arab proverb that says it's better to have 1,000 enemies outside the tent than to have one inside of it. So let's learn from this in all kind of angles of this situation, and grow and be stronger after this one.